Good morning from the woods of central Massachusetts. It's all access road we have on campus here where I work. It's down to a lower athletic field. We have a few of these that I maintain. And this is the time of year we do it. Some dead trees. Good one right there. White pine maybe. Hard to tell. Anyway, I'm gonna do something different. A little series I may start along with the truck and some of the wheel horse tractors I have. Do something I have a bunch of. Saws. Everybody likes chainsaws. Not everybody likes these. Why? I suffer from identity crisis. This is a good one. This is not a junk. Not sold in box stores. This is $34.50. Poulan. But not really. This is a Type 3, and this saw is actually $37.50, which Poulan just did to sell it a little cheaper, make the same saw, sell it cheaper. How you can tell is there's a tag back there. Mine fell off, but I do have it. It says Type 3. Right next to it says 60cc. Very nice. And this saw screams. It runs awesome. I'm sure someone will find out for sure, but I think these were around 14,000 RPM, which is fast. Torquey too. There's a good heavy-duty air cleaner underneath there, thumb screw to take it off. These saws have an adjustable oiler, gear-driven oil pump. Works real good. You can make them put out a ton of oil. All mag crankcase. That is not plastic. That's magnesium. And as you can see in there, this has a bolt-on jug. Gilodroni, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, cylinder. Very good cylinder. I can't remember if these were chrome or Nickel plated. You can tell it's 60 cc's if you see those horizontal cooling fins. That's got the bigger engine, which we already knew anyway. But fully adjustable carb. These saws are not EPA restricted. Came out slightly before that. I think this saw is around 2000 or so. They made these good saws till about 05 or 06, maybe 07. You could still find them new. They don't make them like this anymore. It's true. I have the other version of this, which is a Super Pro 380. It's yellow and black, same saw with a chain brake. This does not have that actually. This has a 16-inch Oregon bar, 3/8. It's probably a Husky mount bar that you can put on, find on like a Husky 365. It's the larger mount bar, I'm pretty sure. These come with a rim. This had a rim sprocket from the factory, 7-8 pin, I can't remember. I think it's 7 pin. But it flings. It throws nice chips. This is maple that we just cut down. You know, not a good test, obviously. It's only about 8-10 inches at the butt, and up here where I just cut it and limbed it, it's partially rotted too. So it's punky. Not the best test, but it'll work. Show you what the saw does. Like I said, these weren't junk saws. They're not junk saws now. They're it's a very competitive saw with any of the new stuff. Certainly better than 290 or a 450 or 460 Rancher by far. Those saws use clamshell design. This is just a better built saw. I've had them. I have steels. I don't knock steel. I have an 044. I have a 460. I have Dolmars. I have older home lights. A lot of Poulans. Not as many as I used to have. Some Craftsmans too from this generation. These were very good saws. Best part about them, get them cheap. People think they're junk, even though evidently they don't remember paying $350 for this saw, which it was. These were never cheap. Very simple to work on. Parts are relatively cheap, and generally set of fuel lines, fuel filter, and maybe a carburetor kit. $20 total. Bar and chain, all that stuff is standard issue. These saws have a heavy duty starter pawl on them. That doesn't fail. Obviously your clutch is good, the rim sprocket you can get, air filter you can get, and obviously clean. Does have an anti-vibration system on it, spring. Spring anti-vibe. I don't know if you can see that, but yes, it is, and it works good. These saws, I run them. This one's got a 16. The 360, the Super Pro 380 has a 20, but you could run a 24 on this, no problem. I think it handles pretty good with a 20. So, do a quick video of this. Stay. And yes, I have a steel hat on. $34.50. Next we'll do next video I'll do my Dolmar 540, another good saw. Have a good day.